Yeah. So date and time parameterization, we have these are okay, different type of formats. So which format our parameter you need to select for that format? Month, date, year. So that is fine. But here is the 2023 is there. But here it is the 23 is there. Same as our format? No, right? So
No.
here we can edit also possible here. So if you want for the 2023 means we need to give for the capital Y. So now you got right. See 2023. So for example, if you want edit also possible here, you can give for the capital D. So now you can observe which format is picked. 06. Month is a 06 and so you can give for the year date as per format we can change also possible. See month, year, date, and if you want for the capital Y you can give for the capital Y. See now same as that format or not you can observe our format. So we are already added. This is the our format. Same as our format or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So you
Yes,
can
sir.
observe when you are selected this, it is showing for the current date, 6th month, 21 date, 2023. So what is the format is departure date will be there, same format will select it. No, if we have the different formats will be there, I will select this. Correct?
No.
No, right? Because as a developer, N is you will developing for the code, is written for the code like this only, like M, Y, M, D, and Y. So that format is developed, but you are selected this format. What will happen means your script will be fail. So that is why the important thing in our script, in the date and time, which format will be there, we need to do that. So you can delete entire thing also. We can, what is the our format, we can edit also possible. See, for example, this format I want percentage M, and after that slash, I want slash means you can give for the slash, again percentage D, and again slash and capital percentage Y. See, means as per our convenient, we can do for the which format we want. We can edit also possible here. Clear? So now we need to select for the same format. Now this is correct. Then after that, go to the here and click on close and click on OK. And it is asking for the, you want to replace for the other occurrence also. Same date will be there. There you want to replace, it is asking. If you want to replace, you can click on yes, otherwise no. So date and time parameterization completed. Now just you can execute this and will observe. Okay, undefined variable. So this is the compile. If you want to getting any errors or not, we first will compile, and after that you can replay also we can do. See now this is the flight booking application, web tour application already recorded, and after that I did for the I think multiple iterations. Okay, then fine. Pass. Now you can go to the which one we did departure city, right? You can go to the departure date. See now you can observe departure date param. So what date is picked? Current date. So maybe same script if you run for the tomorrow also, what is the current date will be there? That is only this display. So means as per our script, so the date and time will be, so current date I want means we can do for the parameterization and we can do for this is the way. And same way we can do for the one more thing. In the ticket booking only, we have the arrive date also will be there, right? There also we can do for the date and time parameterization. I think you guys are doing for the script also, right? No one asked for the this date and time, how to we can do replace with parameter and create new parameter. And this is the arrive date. You can give for the arrive date
Arrive date
and underscore param.
_5.
and go to the properties, and here we need to select from the date and time. Okay, date and time. And after that, you need to select for the which format. This is also same format, month and date, year. So you can select for the same format. If it is there, you can select. If not there, you can edit also, you can do. And after that, here we have the some different also will be there. So properties also will be there. Each occurrence and each iteration and once. So each occurrence means how many times will be there in our script. It will, if you want change for the update value, so you can select for the each occurrence. So otherwise, every iteration you want change means you can give for the each iteration. And otherwise, if you want once, what is the value speak for the once? It is continue for the all the iteration, you can give for this. So it depends on the your situation, you can give for the which property is possible, we can use. Okay, then after that click on OK, and it is asking for the S means it is replaced. Now will run. Only one time we can run. Multiple times it is executing. Okay, I want only one time. See, now we'll see the departure date and array date. See, now you can observe this is the departure date and this is the array date. What date is picked? Current date is picked. What date is picked? Current date is picked. So now if you run this right tomorrow, it will come from the tomorrow date like 22/06/2023. Then it's possible to book the ticket. If you not done the parameterization, date and time parameterization, what will happen? So when you are recorded script, that is, it will be same like the only will be there. If it's possible, we can book the ticket in past dates. It's not possible, right? So that is why in your script is a date and time parameterization will be there. Date and time will be there. You need must do for the date and time parameterization. So this is fine. But same day I will book the ticket.
We want to book
Everyone will book the same day.
advance.
No, right? Advance also.
Yeah.
We can go with the like after 22 or 23, or I can book for the after that also, right? So in that situation, how to we can give for the arrive date or departure date also. So you can go to the parameters. So shortcut is the Control L. If you go to here, you can observe arrive date is there. So for here, we have the here offset will be there. If you select offset, and you can give for the how many days you want for the future date. So I want for the 1 day, means tomorrow date I want book for the, this is the 1 day. And I want to return like, okay, this is array nothing but, okay, we'll give for the array date will be 3 days. Okay, we'll give for the 2 only. And departure date, I want for the, again, you need to offset, you can give for the 1. So when you are given offset, what will happen, right? So if you want for the future date 1, then current date plus 1, it is a come. So you can observe 6/21. Tomorrow date is a 22 is a you are booking for the ticket. So now we'll execute and we'll observe. So this is a dummy application. That is why if you give for the like pass date also, it is a script pass, but real time it's not pass. Now you can observe. See which date is came? 22. Because we are passed for the offset. Offset nothing but you want for the future date, how many days you want, you can give for the current date plus 1, current date plus 2, current date plus 3, you can give. So this is the way. So you are booking for the departure date will be 22 and arrive date will be 23. So this is the way we can give for the future date. But one more thing. So for example, in your script example, think about date of birth will be there. So everyone will be current date, future date will be there. No, right? Past date also will be there.
No.
Yes, right? Past date also will be there. If you want to for that kind of thing, you want to do for the parameterization. So same way we can, after done for the parameterization, go to the parameters. For example, this is only assume. This is only date of birth, assume, just example. So format is same. Okay, that is fine. Now I want from the future date after 20 years, like that you want. So like for example, 1 year only we can see, like I am giving for the 365 days. First we'll see for the 1 day, 2 day, and after that we'll see for the years also. Okay. Now I've given for the 1 day, past day. If we give for the offset 1, what will happen? Current date plus 1 it is happen. That is the future date. But now what is I want? I want for the past date. Means today is the 21. I want for the 20. Assume. So then what we need to miss? We need to give for the period to current date. Then what will happen is current date -1, current date -2, current date 365 days, current date 700 days. So if you give for the how many days, it is coming from the minus. So now we'll see this, and okay, we are changed only for which date? Departure date. We'll see. Now we are expecting for the departure what date? 20, right? Now we'll observe. See, now go to the output. See, now you can observe here what date came? 20 came.
20.
Okay. So means if you want future dates, means we need to check for the period to current date. For example, we have one more thing. So I will give for the 3 days. Okay, 3 days I given. Then what date it will come now? I change for the offset only. So now go to the calendar. So how many days? 3 days means 1, 2, 3. Right? 23 it will come. So that is why we'll give for the 4 days. Means what is happen? Saturday it is come. So as per our scenario, 1, 2, 3, 4, 24 will come. So it is come or not, we'll see now. So now go to the output and you can observe what date came. 25 came. So 25 is a what date actually? What date? Sunday. But
Monday.
so actually my scenario what means I don't want for the weekends. So in this situation, we need to select for the working days only. I want book the ticket only working days only. Then what will happen means you can observe if you given 4 days means what happened 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 25th is came. 1, 2, 3, 4 is came. But now we are given only 4 days for the what will happen 1, 2 working days means Saturday, Sunday is all day. So not calculated. 1, 2, 3, 4. 27th will come.
4, 27.
Now we'll see that. The same rule it is applicable for the future and past date also. Working days only, that concept. Okay, now we'll see the output. See what date came? 27 is came. So you can observe here, if you uncheck this, it is coming from the 25th only because all working days is booking fine. Then you are given for the, they are not given for the any checks. But I want for the only working day only, I want to go to the somewhere. So at that situation, you can give for the working days only. So period also same it is come. Actually, if you give for the period, now you can go to the year. Period means what will happen? 1, 2, 3, and 4 means 17 it will come. So now we'll see the first we'll see this period. See now again we'll see the output. See 17 came. Yes, right? Because we are given 4 days period. Period means future past date. So for year again, you can give it as a what will do means I don't want for the weekends. I want for the only weekdays. So Saturday, Sunday I want to remove. So 16, 15. I want for the 15 date I want book. So again, go to the parameters and working days only can select, and period also we are selected. Again, we'll save this and again you can run. See, now you can observe 15 came, right? So like this we can do for the date and parameterization. So anyone have any doubt regarding for this period current date? Is important. Date and time, if you are doing for the parameterization, you can do for this is the way. Okay, say yes, please. Someone is hello?
In parameter type, so many is there.
Yeah, but yeah,
Parameters.
in so many will be there. So this will be depends on the like this proper types only you are asking.
Yeah.
See, you can select
Types.
for the iteration number. So sample test, if you are giving for the iteration 1, and if you give selected this, right, you can observe here. If you want to do for the, this is the way. Some formats or some test, like for example, you are doing for the some 4 digits, you want to generate for the randomly. So at that time, what you can give for the this 4 digits. If you want for the 5 means you can take for the 5. Sometimes what will happen means we want to generate for the random values. So at that situation, you can take from the, like it is a 1 digit or 2 digits or 3, you can select for this format and you can generate for the that many random values. Okay, and that is the iteration. Load generator, nothing but this is also, we have the load generators will be there, right? There also, if you want to do for the format only, this is also format. You can observe if you select 5 means 5, it is a 6. So this all will be, we no need to use, just you can understand what is what random number. So if you give for this, it's a randomly, it is a value still picking, and unique number, uniquely values will pick. So these are all the all properties. Now we are in date and time. So very important thing will be file and date and time only. We are usually we can do. Rare cases only we can do for the random and unique number and okay and iteration number.
The mostly used file and date.
File and date and time.
Okay.
Okay. Now we'll see the one time offset and period, and we'll take for the 365 days, and it is a year will be changed or not, we can observe. So just will execute. Yes, please. Someone is.
Sir, here means period and more options.
So now you can observe 22 is came, but I think date and time parameterization, I changed for the format. Okay. Yeah, format is changed. So we'll take this. Okay. Sorry, date and time parameterization.
Their offset and the period is there. No, for both days we can give only one place. Huh?
No. See, now you can observe 22 is came because we are given for the 365 days back. Okay, 1 year we are given. See, same today date only 1 year we went for the back. So that is the things we can do for the period means you can select that. So when you are select period only, it is a past date is will go. If you uncheck this, it is come to the past date. So in the one variable only, we can't do for the two things like offset and period we can't do because that is not possible, right?
If
so
we are selecting both means it will go for period. If you are not selecting period means it will go for,
go for
forward
the
date. Okay?
yeah past future date.
Yeah.
Okay, it's clear everyone?
Yes. Sir.
So anyone any doubts?
Date format, how to use?
So
how
date format, how to use means, for example, ticket booking is there. Okay, Everyone not book for the today only we are not book, right? Future date only we can book. Yes or no?
Different user.
Different
User at a time how to run
this one.
iterations.
Yeah, if you set for the what you are set, right, that is only it is pick. So first user what value is picking for the date and time, it will continue for the all same way it is continue.
How to use how to run different dates with a different user.
Yeah,
It's
we
not
can.
possible.
I'm not.
That we have to do in parameterization in sign in logout details, login details.
Okay, you are asking usernames, right? You can do for the username password, right? There you can execute for the 1 time, 2 times. You can execute and automatically what are the scripting you did for the parameterization, right? That is as a first user you pick the first data and second user it will pick the second data.
In Notepad,
Otherwise you can do for this kind of thing happening. But I want for the each user will book the different dates. Then you need to do for the parameterization in the here you can do for the file type only. You can give for the notepad. First is the this date departure. Second is the this 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. How many you want you can give.
In Notepad we can.
Yeah, we can
enter that.
Yes.
Okay,
that is also possible. Okay. So date and time everyone right able to understand, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we have the one more thing will be there, like same line as some other parameter. I think we have time. Yeah, we have time. Okay, same line as some other parameter. So same line as some other parameter, nothing but see if you go for here, I think not done username password, right? Okay, go to the ticket booking. In the login, where is login? Okay, here user init I keep for the login part. In the login, you can observe username, password will be there. So last time what we are doing, same as some other parameter, nothing but. So first line, what is the value will be there. And second row also you can pick for the same row, same value you need to pick. So that is we can consider as the same line as some other parameter. How do we can do means same how we did same way we can do. Like we can do for the parameters, replace with parameter and create new parameter and give for the parameter name is a username. Okay, username underscore param. Same way we can do. And this is the type is a file only, right? Go to the properties and here you can click on create table and click on S. And now you need to pass the values means you can pass, otherwise you can keep same like this. And here you can select for the sequential or random unique, whatever may be as per your requirement. Now I selected sequential each iteration and go to the click on OK and click on. Now username is done. Now parameterization. Replace with parameter, create new parameter, and now you need to give for the parameter name. What is that? Password underscore param.
Password underscore.
Okay, and properties. Now last time what we are doing, we are clicking for the create table. Now we are doing for the complex parameterization. Complex parameterization means like we need to add for the columns. First column is the username, second column is the password, third column is the first name, last name I want. So in this situation, how to we can add means you need to select for the first dot file. What is our first dot file? Username dot file. So you can select that. And after that, you need to click on add column. And see, you can observe which column we are adding, password param adding. Click on OK. See, password param is added or not. So now you need to select for the by name. What value we are doing actually parameterization, password, right? You need to select from the here password. And now this is important. Last time we are giving for the sequential that is given because it is individually we did. Now we are doing for the complex parameterization. Here, see, you can observe this password is depends on the whom?
Username.
Username. So here we need to select for the same line as some other parameter. So what is the username you need to select? No need to select for the sequential, random, unique, no need to select. We need to select for the same line as username param. Why we are selecting only same line as username param is that is our parent. So means just simple. This line, first one is the username will be there. And I want for the same line bean you can pick. You are indicating for the same line as some other parameter.
So password bean belongs to Jojo user.
Yes, Jojo user. That's it.
Sir, here one select column, one two options, by number and by name.
Yeah. Here
Mean
this is
by
the just
number?
column. This is the one column, second column, right? So if you want select by number, so second column is the password only. But if you want for the clearly which column means you can select for the which value you are doing for the parameterization. You need to do for this. Clear?
Okay. Clear.
So now we can click on OK and click on OK and no. Now username password is completed. Next we have the some other also will be there, right? First name, last name also. That is also same line I want. So go to the here. You can observe first name. I want to for the first name. Click on replace with parameter, create new parameter, and I can give it as a first name underscore param and click on properties. Don't click for the create table. We need select for the parent one. What is our parent? Username dot. Because
Yes, sir.
first name also is depends on the whom? Username only.
Username.
So you need to click on add column. Which column we are adding? First name. You can click on this. And again by name, which value we are doing? First name. You need to select for the third column is the first name param. And here we need to select for the dependent. What is the dependent? Username is our parent.
Username Linus.
So close this and click on OK and no. So like this, we need to add from the all values, first name, address 1, address 2, then all values we are able to see in the one column. Like in the within the one row only we are able to see the, this is the columns, this is the rows, right? One row only we can see the username password and we are indicating that use Jojo, Bean, Jojo, like this only you can pick. Just that is why we are selecting a same line as username. So that is the we can do for the first name, last name, address 1, address 2, like CC, all things we can do here. Same way can do. And we want to add more data, I can go here and we can just enter and again you can give for the same Jojo 1, Bean 1 you can give. Otherwise, you can create from the Excel and you can import also possible here. I think we have any data will be there. Test data. What is data? I don't know. So Excel you can prepare and we need to copy paste also possible here. I will show for that also because if you have the multiple data will be there, that data you want to copy from the there means how to we can copy paste also. You can we'll see now. See, for example, username password only there. So this username password you can copy and paste it from here and you can create from the like this and after that you can copy paste. So now you can observe here it is a comma delimiters. So what you can do means, so go to this script and edit with notepad you can do. So you can open and edit with notepad you can do. Now you can copy paste from this